Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to review Bing's Chat GPT 4.0. Chat GPT 4.0, which is a new and improved version of Chat GPT, a powerful AI language model that can generate natural and engaging conversations. Bing is a search engine from Microsoft. Chat GPT and they are currently in beta testing, and you can join the waiting list to access it. You can do that by going to bing.com and clicking on chat on top left of corner. Then you can either click on access the new Bing faster or join waitlist. You will need a Microsoft account to sign up, and there should be an active rewards account in Microsoft. Once you are in the waiting list, you can test out some of the features Bing's ChatGPT 4.0 by selecting one of the prompts on the main Bing chat page. For example, you can ask to tell it to tell you a joke, write a poem, summarize an article, or generate a query for helpful products or services, or even write a script for your YouTube video. Bing's ChatGPT 4.0 is a very impressive in terms of its natural language understanding and generation abilities. It can understand and communicate fluently in different languages such as English, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, French, or German. It can also provide informative visuals, logical, and actionable responses based on web searches or its own knowledge. Bing's ChatGPT 4.0 is a very creative and entertaining in its terms of its content generation abilities. It can generate poems, stories, code, essays, songs, celebrity parodies, and more based on your input or preferences. It can also make jokes that are funny but not offensive or controversial. That will violate code of conduct, and it may result ban you from ChatGPT. Bing's ChatGPT 4.0 is a very engaging and helpful in terms of its conversation management abilities. It can always generate a short suggestion for the next user turn that are relevant and interesting to the conversation topic. It can also leverage past responses and web results for generating more comprehensive and thorough answers. Overall, I think Bing ChatGPT is an amazing AI language model that offers a lot of potential for enhancing our online experience and interaction with computers. I highly recommend you to join the waitlist and try it out yourself. Let us see how it will work. You can simply type anything on the address bar when your default search engine is Bing. Let us ask to search to write a joke. Once you entered the preview model, or you got access to ChatGPT on Bing, once you entered the waiting list, once you approved, you will see an option like this, chat. This is the link for ChatGPT. Once you click it, it will take you to the chat screen of ChatGPT. Okay. I asked to write a joke, and it says a joke. Okay, you can ask anything here. Write a YouTube video script for anything. Okay, let us ask how to write a YouTube video script. It will suggest to you a step by step. Like in ChatGPT, you can thumbs up if you like the answer, or thumb down if you dislike the answer. And you can copy the answer, and you can click stop responding if you got enough information. Then you can ask next question. Okay, that's all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.